How to make rice and clove toner for face. Get glass skin in just 7 days. Do you want clear, smooth glass skin in just 7 days? This rice and clove toner for face is the secret your skin has been missing. Rice and clove are two powerful natural ingredients used for centuries for glowing acne-free skin. In fact, in the 17th century, rice and clove were worth more than gold. But that's a story for another day. Rice water and clove water create a potent natural toner that brightens skin, treat acne, and reverse aging. Rice water is a gentle hydrating brightener that fights hyperpigmentation because of its high content of ferulic acid, while clove high content of eugenol acts as an antimicrobial agent to fight bacteria and control oil. Let's talk about the benefit of these two powerhouse ingredients together, clove water and rice water together as a toner, because this is what my skin used to be like. I use natural ingredient. I didn't use any synthetic ingredient. I use natural ingredient. I formulate all my product, and today this is what my skin is looking like. I make my videos without ring light, without filters, without makeup. So if I can do it, you can do it. So the first benefit of this combination together is acne treatment and prevention. Clove is rich in eugenol, which kills acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation, making it effective for active pimples and preventing future breakouts. Second benefit is brightening and anti-aging. Rice is rich in ferulic acid, which works to fade acne scars, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation, while stimulating collagen production to improve skin firmness. Benefit number 3, deep cleansing and pore tightening. The combination helps remove dirt and excess sebum, resulting in smaller looking pores and smoother skin texture. Benefit number 4, soothing and hydration. While clove acts as a treatment, rice acts as a soothing agent that provide nutrients, vitamins, and hydration, which help calm irritation. Today I will show you exactly how to make rice and clove toner for face at home. Simple, effective, and beginner friendly. And the best part is you have this ingredient already in your kitchen.
Welcome to Rachel at Her Beauty. My name is Rachel. Over here we glow and grow. We are making a 100-gram batch. In a jar I am going to put 7 to 10 cloves. In this video I use 9. You need the cloves that still have the pot like this. I always say this. Now in that jar I'll turn that inside, and in there I'll put in some distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, use your drinking water, it is fine. Now because the jar lid is metal, so I had to put a cling film first so it doesn't rust inside. I set that aside and I proceeded to measure the rice. Now the rice, I'm going to wash out the starch after measuring. That's it, I'm done washing it. In a jar, I will turn the rice inside. Rice and clove toner for face is one skincare everyone needs in their skincare routine, trust me. Now after that, I'm going to put in some distilled water. But in this case, I'll put a lot of the distilled water because the rice is going to eat the water. Now you see I didn't use a cling film on this one because that is rubber. Now 24 hours later, I will drain the fermented rice and the infused clove. While I'm draining it, I will be measuring it to see what amount of liquid I have to work with. So now the rice, I drained it. I discovered that because what I put 100 grams, and I discovered that what I have is 60 grams. So now I'm going to drain the cloves. The cloves did not eat a lot of the water because cloves is not rice, it's rice that feeds on water. Now the cloves was I got 57, I put 60 and I got 57. So now I'm going to measure out 50 grams of that fermented rice water that is packed with ferulic acid, and then in there I'm going to put 50 grams of the infused clove water that is packed with eugenol. Ferulic acid fights signs of aging, while eugenol kills acne-causing bacteria. And now I'm going to put some liquid Jamal Plus, which is our broad spectrum preservative. If you don't have a preservative, please store this in your fridge for 4 to 7 days and discard after those 7 days, or make smaller batches so you don't waste it. So now I'm turning it into a spray container, which is my favorite container to use when it comes to toners. If you don't have, use any container you have. This toner is the truth. You're going to love it. See, I am waiting for testimonies because even your enemies are going to ask you, what are you using on your skin?
So yes, this is our beautiful rice and clove toner. You will apply this all over your face just like I will do now. That's all you have to do, morning and night. Now if you don't have a spray bottle like this one, All you have to do is put it in a cotton pad or cotton wool, however you call it, what you have available with you. Yes, put that there and just wipe it all over your face. Make sure your face feels it. And then you apply your, after that you can apply your serum if you have your serum, and then you go in with your moisturizer. If you don't have your serum, you can just apply your moisturizer. You use this morning and night, or you can use it just once a day whenever you're comfortable.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.